2 months ago, while eating my last cheat meal, I was showing you my physique, and honestly, I didn't like it. But here I am, finally achieved my dream physique. December 18, haha! 2 months without cheat meals. This is the last day. What? I cannot believe it. I will take you to the point where I started to notice some changes. This is actually day 12 already. Sorry I didn't film. I'm doing my morning cardio. Cardio is freaking tough, but hey, we gotta be tough. The world stays the same and different challenges are coming at us. So why don't we start doing difficult things every single day, like 35 minutes of cardio? And the thing is, if it's getting easier, I just can go faster with the skipping, burpees, and bunch of other exercises. So despite it's getting colder, I am enjoying the sunshine. Why are you squeaking? The only cheat meal I had is edible cookie. One small tiny cookie on my birthday. That's it. No birthday cake, no cheesecake, no french fries, no burgers, no pizza. Nothing. Dude, I'm proud of myself. Not gonna say it was easy. I would kill for a donut, man. Tonight is Halloween and I feel tired pretty fast. I just started. Maybe I should have get more carbs, but trying to eat 2000 calories, even a little bit less. To be honest, I don't even count. Which is a mistake. I didn't need to drop to 2000 calories. After eating 3000, I needed to drop to 2500 calories. I just care how much protein I eat per day, and my main goal is to eat a little bit of carbs in the morning because we need to start the engine somehow and before the workout. Afterwards, if I eat a little bit of carbs, it's just a little bit of sweet potato and mostly protein. Salmon, chicken, ground turkey, egg whites, protein shake. As you can see, my face, wow. Look at this. I'm like a model. My weight was 80 kilograms, now it's 75. Minus 5 kilograms of fat? Nah, probably most of it just water. Still have my belly. So, yeah. It's not even a month. We'll see what's gonna happen. Will I look like a skeleton and lose all my muscles? Or I will actually get shredded. I would say I went too far, because, yeah, 72 kilos. And here's what I'm talking about. I noticed that every time I drop to 72 kilograms, my energy levels are so bad. Just like here, look at me. I'm turning green. I don't get it. I just had my food and I have such a bad energy crash. It's not supposed to be like that. I had protein, I had carbs, I had a full sleep. Is it because it's getting colder and we have less sun, or that doesn't feel right? By the way, oats before your workout is not always a good idea. To get a fast fuel, fast energy, you gotta eat some kind of bagel with a honey and banana. So yeah, after that I started to add more carbs. Just like one more tortilla and banana per day and a little bit more rice. Here's another fatigue moment. I don't know how to do a muscle up anymore. No. Something is missing. I need to eat normally again. Dude, just finished my cardio. It was intense. Such an interesting thing to observe your mind when you do something like burpees and you feel like, okay, it's getting harder. You want to just stop. It's getting to the point where it's really slow. I'm doing the push-up really slow. I can jump, but my push-up arms are getting weaker. I'm like, okay, one more. This is such a game, not only with your muscles, with your body, but actually with this. I have a breakfast here. It doesn't look like I'm in a calorie deficit or something. And I don't even count my calories. I counted first few days. I memorized, okay, what I can eat. And now I just eat more protein than anything else. Steel cut oats. Half a cup only. Look how huge it is. 320 calories in this, so I will split it. The rest of it will be before my stretching, I guess, because it's a rest day. I asked my coworker, do I look green? He was like, a little bit. I was like, oh no, that's not good. You're not supposed to feel weak. Some hunger, yes, and I'm hungry almost all the time. So Dr. Mike said, hey, you wanna feel less hungry? Try egg whites and oats without salt, sugar, well, I don't even have sugar at home, without any honey, monk mode. And this is my day 3 of eating steel cut oats with nothing on it. And I don't know why. Maybe I just learned how to actually cook them. But I'm enjoying it. Man, I'm going crazy. I told my coworker, he was like, what is wrong with you? But today I put some, well, I put a lot actually, paprika into my eggs, 1 egg, egg whites, spinach, tofu, some zucchini, and still eat your protein. Get the fuck out of here, man. Holy sisters. I'm hungry and I'm getting mad. Okay, don't be angry. Just eat your food. I bought this new cream for hands because my hands are super dry. And this f***er smells like cocoa. It smells so delicious. Oh my god. It smells like freaking chocolate dessert. I'm shredded enough. I want a cheat meal. Nah, I don't want to be a bitch. I'll wait 1 more month. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Also, one of the hardest thing I challenged is look at the food I was looking at 5 days a week. Yeah, I'm a pizza maker, and that's what I see every day almost. Even though pizza is not my favorite food, I'm more like a sweet tooth guy. This is me making tomato jam at work. Yeah, we spread this on a burger bun. And yes, that was 2 liters of pure sugar. I don't know, just wanted to show you, maybe you'll think twice before ordering something when you're going out with your friends. I saw people eating donuts. Wait a second. I had some donuts too. Oh man, I couldn't resist. I went to a supplement store and I got these 2 donuts, some kind of new donuts. It's not a lot of protein, to be honest. It's only 14 grams of protein per 2 donuts, freaking 240 calories. Well, regular donut, same calories, 1 donut, but this is 2. And protein bar, well, I guess I'm gonna do some 150 burpees tonight. Oh my god. Oh man. And I actually did. I was struggling in a grocery store. Damn it, guys. Do you have to put this at the entrance before I start doing my shopping? Literally eggs, egg whites, hazelnut milk, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt. I'm here to pick up some vegetables in store and fruits and of course Wendy's, my favorite burgers, McDonald's, everything is here. Of course!
Already playing games with me. Jesus Christ.
Day 34 without any fast food. And now this thing tastes like the best dessert ever. And right before my cardio, sometimes I eat this sandwich in the morning because sometimes I still practice a few backflips and I underspin. I don't have enough energy to do them. I almost fell on my nose again. And this sounds funny, but feels scary. I need more energy. I need to eat a little bit more. I got shredded already a little bit. Yeah, I guess not today. I gotta go outside and do my cardio as fast as possible because I'm getting really hungry. Actually, honey and banana gives you so much energy. If I would stop caring about calories right now, I would eat like 15 of those. So, basic gym rings exercises, weighted pull-ups and dips, and 20 to 30 minute cardio every single day with no excuses for 2 months. Let's go! Potato waffle. I have enough protein with this piece. It's not enough food. I'm still hungry after this. I will also add some sauerkraut. I need to finish this challenge, honestly. I don't want to be shredded my whole life. Breakfast, my favorite part of the day, especially after cardio. You're walking home as fast as possible to eat your food and enjoy. I should take a very tiny teaspoon and very small fork and just enjoy it a little bit longer. I didn't put any salt, any pepper, nothing on my eggs. I have some cucumber here. It's super tasty. And I think I feel salt anyway in there. How? I don't know. I will have a sweet with the whey protein, overnight oats, so with the blueberries, which now tastes like sugar. So after a light calorie deficit, you cannot go into a fast food and sweets right away. But now I need around 7-10 days to get back on track. So a bit more carbs, and like this gradually I'm gonna gain probably 1-2 kilos, and then at some point I will have a cheat meal. Not a cheat day. No. Cheat day, no. Cheat meal, yes. I need to control myself. I cannot just go into 10,000 calorie challenge again. In only 5 to 7 days I can gain all the weight that I've lost. I don't want this. No. So now no bulking, no calorie deficit, just maintaining lean physique. I don't want to be shredded all the time. It's hard. It's hard to do, man. Weird things happened actually. Feel weird about my testosterone. It went down a little bit. I don't really feel like I want to do something with girls. Like, I'm straight, but I don't feel like I want to have sex. Like, I don't really care, honestly. That's the truth. That's what happened. My libido went down. What else? My smells improved. How do I call it? Like smells? When I can literally go beside a house, somebody's house, and like, somebody's cooking crumble cookie or something. What is this? Apple pie? This guy, he's like, wow. That was my journey to get shredded. In the beginning I was 80 kilograms. Just so you know, no, I'm not doing it on purpose. I'm not blowing up my stomach. It's just, it is what it is. I know I can be more shredded. Now I'm 72. Stay consistent. Do your cardio, don't skip it, and don't eat excessively. Eat more healthy food than fast food, and you will be surprised. Ciao. I created my full workout program based on how I built my dream physique. Gym rings, pull-up bar, dip bars. You can do everything in the gym if you want to. One clean plan. Build muscle, lose fat, or build lean muscle while burning fat. Workouts plus 8 my favorite high protein recipes, desserts included, and a bonus video for those who wants to achieve middle splits. I made this program cheaper than groceries. So program is live. Click in the link and check it out. Microphone. Hello.
Look what you just did, man. What? What did you do?